If you ever make a mistake while working in Lucid, don't worry, because undoing is quick and easy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Lucid using both the keyboard shortcut and the undo button, plus how to redo something if you change your mind. This is a simple skill, but it can save you a lot of time when you're editing shapes, text, sticky notes, drawings, or formatting. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to undo in Lucid is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows, just press Ctrl and Z at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z. That instantly reverses your last action, whether you deleted something by mistake, moved an object to the wrong place, typed the wrong text, or changed a style you didn't mean to change. This is usually the method most people use because it's fast, reliable, and works right away while you're building your diagram or design. If you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, you can also undo from the toolbar. Look toward the top of the Lucid interface and find the undo icon. It usually looks like a curved arrow pointing to the left. Clicking that button will undo your most recent action, just like the keyboard shortcut. This is helpful if you're not comfortable with shortcuts or if you just want to visually click the option instead. Now, it's important to know what Lucid Undo can handle. It works on deleted objects, moved shapes, text edits, sticky notes, drawings, and formatting changes. So if you accidentally removed an element, repositioned something in the wrong spot, or made a styling change you want to reverse, undo is your first fix. In most cases, you can keep pressing undo multiple times to step back through several actions one by one, which is really useful if you made a few mistakes in a row. And if you go too far back or you decide you actually want that last change after all, you can redo it. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Z together. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Z together. You can also click the redo arrow in the toolbar, which is usually placed near the undo button. Redo is perfect when you accidentally undid something you meant to keep. A good habit while using Lucid is to pause before making big changes, especially if you're moving multiple objects or editing a complex diagram. That way, if something shifts unexpectedly, you can immediately undo and get back on track. It's one of the easiest ways to protect your work and keep your workflow smooth. So to recap, undo in Lucid with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, or click the undo arrow in the top toolbar. If needed, use Ctrl+Shift+Z or Command+Shift+Z to redo. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.